Hi traders, today is 13th of May 2020. We are now live day trading for E Mini S&P 500 futures market. So this is micro contract June 2020. So in this video I will show you how I do day trading for US session. So time now is 11:02 a.m. in the morning, New York time. So if you are in Chicago, Chicago time is 10:02 a.m. in the morning. So we just fill in our order. So based from my live telegram channel, I just sent out one signal to short sell the market at 2843.75 and the TP which will be around 2815. So this could be almost 30 ticks at the target. So let's see, hopefully everything will be fine for this trade and we can earn as much as possible. So the target is should be around somewhere here, just right before the support line at 28.04. So we have 6 lots for micro account at this moment, and expected for the price to have a good indication for this bearish kind of movement. So there's a nearest low over here. So there's a big huge reversal can be seen before pre-US session. So during US session the market already start to trigger for this bearish movement, then a pullback, and now we hope for another wave for this bearish kind of movement. So I sent out the signal already, so we will stick to the signal based from this, and then we will queue for the profit target activity at 2813, which is somewhere over here. So this will be indicate about almost 30 ticks. 2813. Okay, all right. So I will queue for 6 lot position size, which is at 2813. So now we have to place our profit target area as expected to for the price to drop to 2813, which is over here. So I have 6 lots of micro account. I'm placing the exit as a stop loss, as a profit targeted area, which is at 2813. So about 30 ticks, 30 points or 120 ticks down there. So let's wait and see. Hopefully this trade will be a good one. So there is a nearest low over here. Hopefully the price will break here, and we did enter this on the red horizontal line is my entry. So at this moment we are minus 82 or 90 US dollar. So if normal standard account should be 900 US dollar in minus. So let's wait. Hopefully the price will keep remain below the VWAP line, which is this yellow line. So while waiting, I will pause this video. Once there is a big move of the penetration to the breakthrough over here, we'll continue resume recording. Alright, as for now the price already start to move. We can see there's a minor pullback here, just touch the VWAP line. So the yellow line is the VWAP line, and after it touch the VWAP line, then try to break through this nearest low over here. So we can see that there's a high possibility for the breakthrough or breakout at this price level, and the entry here is based from my indicator. I will show you my indicator one moment. Alright guys, seems like the market already break through. You can see this penetrate down here. Now we are profiting around 315 US dollar, 330. Keep climbing, and hopefully you can reach this price target of about 30 points or 120 ticks. So it was a good one. So let's hope things will go smoothly towards this direction. Okay, everything looks perfect for now. Alright, this is the chart I mentioned just now. Okay, the indicator, you can see there's a short sell. By the way, the left one is for S&P 500, the right hand one is this from Russell 2000. Nasdaq as well, I think, also on short sell position, except for crude oil. So Nasdaq, the movement is much more larger compared to the other two. And so for this S&P 500, so there's a clear indication that the market are on the short sell position. So either we take profit now or keep remain the rest of the trading towards 28.13. So that's the target we are expected at this moment. So price might go further down, and which is the extension will be at this support line at 20.05 or 28.06. So let's hope things will go without sideways movement, which is much more easier for us to predict the market. That's what we are expected at this moment. So profit now is 320. Alright, so just a bit disruption over there. So now we can see that the market break another new low, create a low here, a small pullback, and then break it through, and hopefully this will push the price further down. So we are expected to exit the market maybe within 30 minutes time. Hopefully the fastest is the better. So profit now is $480, 472. So this is a micro account. If you are trading a normal standard mini account, so you will earn far more than this. Should be around 4,000 or no, depends on how many how is your money management and how is your position size you took in. So based from current situation, looks good for me. I'm in the profit. So if we can exit the position now or just wait for another blow towards the downside. So I'm quite confident that the market will go further down. So let's take a look. One moment, I will show my chart. 28.22 is also quite a good number to exit the market. Okay, so let's take a look on the chart. Alright, so over here, move to the chart. Okay, it was a good one. So a big strong red candle on the time frame 5 minutes. So I will enlarge it. Okay, you can see it over here. So no need to be that kind of greedy to be exit now is quite good, because almost 20 points, or if you traded a one contract size, so you should earn around 20 multiplied 1000. Is it 1000? Yes, 1000. Yeah, 1000 US dollar in profit for one micro account. So uh, for micro account, one lot is for this 20 point, which is around 100 US dollar. So I'm trading around 6 lot position size. Hopefully I can get around 400 or 5 more than 500 to be honest, in terms of the profit. So now it's 500. So hopefully the price will go further down. The target is also at still further down. So the target is at 22. If say I'm exiting early, I will exit at 22. So profit now is 450. The highest just now is about 500 plus, a bit about that, and you're still waiting for the market hopefully to go further down. I'm quite optimistic that the market will have a good indication that it will go strong bearish movement tonight. So let's wait and see and be patient on our trading. Alright traders, market is very strong in bearish movement. So I've mentioned in my live telegram channel, in case they want to exit early, they can exit at 28.22.50, which is from the entry is about 21 points, or one lot you should earn around 1000. If you are trading 2 or 3 lot, 3 to 4000. So it was a good trade actually. If you are trading micro account, you will earn around just like me 100 US dollar for one micro account. So I'm sure you trading for micro must be a lot, more than 8 or more than 10, and this will get you more profit, about like 1000 or 1000 plus. So let's go back to the platform. At this moment the profit now is more than 500. So let's wait. Hopefully the price will push faster downwards. I'm waiting for the next 2 minutes, so maybe perhaps there's a good indication market will okay. I will try go flat because 600, more than 600 over here, profit target is a good profit target for me. Okay, so now 615, I'm exiting. Yes, 615, I'm exiting 615. Yep. All right. Okay, so 2822.50 is the target I give just now for immediate exit. So hopefully you guys already exit. Okay, this one for immediate exit if you don't have guts to hold the position longer. So my account already okay, profit I think 615 US dollar. Alright, so price will go for the down, but I will not re-enter again, so let's wait. Hopefully the price will remain on the lower side. But that's all for today for this video. Thank you for watching. This good profit of 615 US dollar from micro account. If you are trading normal standard account, might reach around 3,000 or 4,000 US dollar. So it was a good trade, and there's a lot of link in the description below. Feel free to click on it, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.